Page minta teka school kaba yok buntam khna ibarong haka top 20 kadai ka Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong kidon hadu ndrungode ki khna hapo connect school kaba erong haka top 20 dan one saka All Saint hadu sangut dan one saka kini kuik biyok lai ngut 7 set Gorkha dan Pechon batka Saint Mary's kini kiyo rong khna juki mar lai ngut tikiwe kidon sa ki ba ar ngut badan barwe mta tata tentang ne pe ya ka result jong ki khna baro jong ka top 20 kulis bun fibro sai senpat ha kan ga video mta ngini ya page ya ki kerteng jong ki candidate ki bayo ya ka top 20 pok embus SSLC examination 2026 Mikhlabur School Division Secondary School Living Certificate examination 2026 first 20 candidate order of merit te bawan bani kongdo idai wanggal lama na pokok school Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School Shillong I ka school kalong sanspa pra pusan mak total mark secure ma sanspa pra pusan mak bawan baar Vishal Kumar apo MB Rosebud Higher Secondary School Tura sanspa New Penreu dan Juan Balai don Laingut don Arngut Prajuk Taro napo 7 set but Prinita Das napo Pechon Sangma Memorial Police Secondary School Tura sanspa Nyupsan Wasau dan Laingut Samdi Mukhim napo Saint Anthony Shillong Nathaniel Mantre lalu napo 7 set Arngut 7 set Wanda Rihun Lingkoi napo Anderson Higher Secondary School Nongstone sanspa Nyupa dan Basan Marway Jenita Pator napo Saulungdo Higher Secondary School Bukayau sanspa Nyupwe napo Jantia ini dan Naman Reu Mehek Islam na regular tu klem don Kertengrek School sanspa Nyupau Manyo dan Laingut Noshin Islam Chaudhry All Saint Ishan Bhat Saint Anthony Aditya Thapa Gorkha Pathshala tul Arngut Gorkha Pathshala sanspa Ndruf Khandai Kamak Secure dan Bapra Kevin B Pale napo Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong dan Abila Nongsit Christian Academy Kenektar School sanspa Bapra ya bun nama Syarat Chetri Gorkha Pathshala Laingut Binit Rai Saint Nanak Secondary School La Sara Penbiang Nongbri Saint Michael Higher Secondary School Waimaya Nong Tudu Lakyang napo North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jawai North Liberty Arngut Pindon kadang sanspa Arupra gini mah Wanba Pra sanspa Ndripu Pra ne Kamak Secure Pakandai Ronit Biswas napo Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School dan Dodawa Eliana S Nongrum napo Sinod Higher Secondary School Shillong sanspa Ndrifendreu Pushpau Trishakshi Das Saint Mary's Yakemenika Chulet Shangpung Presbyterian dan Imelton Dimarak regular 2 candidate Mark Secure sanspa Ndrifsan Khadway Vivek Sharma Saint Anthony Benaya Kharchandi Saint Francis Xavier Secondary School Mausunram dan Mausunram Tushar Das napo Pechon Tura sanspa Ndrifsau Abhinanda Saha regular 2 candidate dan Bakat Arspa Ndrifsau Shriyansh Joshi Adhikari All Saint Aba M Sangma Saint Margaret S Shekina Marbo Saint Mary Mazaralo Jowai Negeri total mark secure sanspa Ndriflai Khatlai Dasan Bha Karmoplang Saint Anthony Kamboni Saint Anthony dan Songgut man dan Khatsau Prathama Chaudhry Saint Mary Firoza Akhtar regular 2 candidate ne de sanspa Ndrifwe dan Bakatsan Ridhi Baidia All Saint Yadoni Lai Songgut dan Khandreu Catherine Ami Nongbet 7 set Deep Jyoti Coach Nirupama Memorial Secondary School Karobadha sanspa Khandai Khanyel Sani Dahun Riya Lariti Noklau All Saint Muhammad Irfan RB Anup Chan Hindi Secondary School Shillong sanspa Sunupra Khatpra dan Laingut Zenial Banchan S Marbanyang All Saint dan Lai Songgut Aaron Dhar North Liberty Pragati Gupta Pechon dan Lai Songgut sanspa Penyau Kerkendai Baishali Paul Saint Margaret Samaya Isa Shella Saint Mary Higher Secondary School Mebante Langmawa Saint Dominic Eric Fernando Papang regular 2 Leading Star Maria Lamin, Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Secondary School Lamin, total mark secure dari Sams Pak San Pendreu, and Ideal R Sangma Sherwood Dura San Pendreu. Top 20 Ba Arpo, Asa Wakar Semblai Christian Academy Arngut, Daya Kemen Ika Talang Ferrando High School Umroy Nongra, dan Churchill Late Hantem Napok Sherwood Dura Arngut Napok Sherwood Dura. Total mark score last Boyorung dari Sams Pak San Po San.